Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'd like to show you around this lovely Toyota Corolla VVT-h Excel we've currently got for sale, finished in this gorgeous metallic black paint. It's got that 2-litre hybrid petrol engine producing 193 PS. You also have peace of mind motoring with a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got those striking LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side you get these lovely diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Your folding wing mirrors and also privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards there as well. There's a generous amount of boot space also available, including split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple suitcases or any further luggage. Inside you get the gorgeous optionally fitted leather upholstery which is perforated. You've also got a couple of charging ports in the back for rear passengers. At the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. You've also got a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheels, a full digital display on offer, housing all your vital driving information. So you've got different driving modes there as well, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. Moving on to the infotainment system, you've got digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, alongside satellite navigation with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. It also includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps and many more. To help with parking, you've got your parking sensors and that rear camera there as well. And moving a little bit further down the cabin is dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust. You've also got heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's even wireless phone charging available. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.